at Kleinfeld. I do know this place. Every girl knows this place. I always watch Say Yes to the Dress. Hi.
I'm Randy.
So nice to meet you.
And you are?
I'm Chandra.
Chandra. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
You look very excited.
Thank you. I'm very excited.
Welcome to Kleinfeld. So tell me, what are you looking for today?
I have recently lost 110 pounds.
Whoa.
So
how much?
110, 109. I'm going 110.
Wow. Now you're ready to show off this beautiful,
Yes.
fabulous figure.
I so am.
So what kind of dress are you looking for?
I love like a vintagey, bohemian, kind of carefree, hippie kind of feel.
Well, we have to get you a dress by tomorrow.
Yes.
And we have to get it altered.
Yes.
So we have to get going. This is not boho.
It's just so beautiful though.
Now this dress is really Art Deco.
I love Art Deco.
And this does have these lines that really kind of lengthen you. So how do you feel in this dress?
I love this dress. I think it's gorgeous. I feel elegant.
And this is nothing what you came in asking for. You said boho, no sparkle, but it works and it looks great on you. So this is a contender.
Absolutely a contender.
How are you feeling in this dress?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
That's
This is crazy.
That's the reaction I'm looking for. Because it's fuller on the bottom, it's gonna make you look smaller on the top. But it's still body hugging, so it's gonna show off your curves. Plus this little dip here is gonna
Love
lengthen
that.
your neck, so that's gonna make you look longer and leaner. And you like this part of your body, which you
My
said.
favorite.
This dress really shows off Chandra's shape. Gerald's gonna wanna get you out of this dress after seeing you in it.
And that's the goal.
Yes. So Chandra, how do you feel in this dress?
Really elegant. I love this. I love the sleeves. It's kind of what I pictured. It's what I had talked about and sent. I like the flowiness.
This dress is really classic, timeless. It has that lace on it. I think the sleeves are gorgeous. It's giving you kind of that hint of color without being the color in the dress. It's really just your skin tone. Choose the dress that makes you feel the most beautiful. Because when you walk out in the dress that makes you feel beautiful, you're gonna walk out like you are queen of the world.